I replaced this $12 capacitor, and my electric bill dropped by $30 the very next month. As an electrical engineer, I've seen this exact problem in hundreds of homes. Most people have no idea this tiny part is failing. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to check if your capacitor is dying, what it costs to replace, and why your HVAC technician might not tell you about this. By the end, you'll know the 3 warning signs and exactly what to buy. Welcome to Home Energy Lab, here where I share energy-efficient home appliance tips to save you money using my electrical engineering expertise. Let's start with why this happens. Capacitors in your HVAC system work like a battery that jump-starts your AC motor. They store and release energy to help your motor start and run smoothly. When a capacitor fails, your AC has to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and a struggling system. So how do you know if your AC is struggling? There are 3 main warning signs. First, listen when your AC unit outside tries to turn on. Do you hear a humming or buzzing sound for a few seconds before it finally kicks in? Or worse, do you hear a clicking sound over and over, like it's trying to start but can't? That's a classic sign the capacitor is weak. It's struggling to deliver that initial jolt of power. The second warning sign is, of course, your electric bill. The motor is running inefficiently, wasting energy every single minute it's on. The third sign is something you can see for yourself. You can do a quick visual inspection. Always remember to turn off the power to your outdoor AC unit, both at the breaker box inside and the disconnect switch outside. Safety comes first. If you're even a little unsure, just call a pro. It's not worth taking any chances. Once the power is confirmed off, you can open the access panel on your outdoor unit. The capacitor is usually a silver or black cylinder. I'll look closely at it. The first thing to check for is a bulging top. A healthy capacitor should be perfectly flat on top. If it's domed or swollen, it's definitely bad and needs to be replaced immediately. Next, look for any signs of rust, especially around the terminals where the wires connect. Rust can interfere with the electrical connection and is a sign of moisture and degradation. Finally, check for any oil leaks. These capacitors are filled with a special oil, and if you see any greasy residue on the sides of the can, it means it has failed and is leaking. Any of these visual clues of bulging top rust or an oil leak are a dead giveaway. If you spot any of these signs, you've found your problem. Replacing it is often a simple job for a DIYer, but again, if you're not comfortable working with electricity, call a pro. But don't worry, replacing a capacitor is usually an easy and affordable fix. That $12 part just saved you $360 per year. But your refrigerator has an even simpler test that takes just 10 seconds. I'm covering that in part 2. Click right here to watch it now. Don't miss part 3, where I reveal the water heater secret that most homeowners completely ignore. For more energy-efficient home appliance guides to save money, subscribe and hit the bell. I post new videos every week. Thank you for watching.